Hello, welcome to the BC Design channel. Today I'm going to be making some Tealight holders using scrap plywood and some pieces of coloured veneers that I've had lying around the shop for the last couple of years that I really want to get rid of. So that's the first sandwich made up. Now I'm going to try and get it into the clamps without it sliding apart. This is probably the hardest bit. Finally got the glue up finished. Both blocks are in the clamps. Just have to leave them overnight now to dry. The hardest part of this whole thing is just getting the glue up done because they tend to slide with the individual veneer pieces and the layers of glue. So I'll come back tomorrow, check how square they are and trim them up in the table saw or miter saw if I need to. And then we're on to drilling the holes for the Tealight. It's a really simple, quick project. So the glue is dry now. They've been in the clamps for 24 hours. So I think it's time to do a finger snap to get them out. I trimmed off the veneer on one side on both of the pieces, just so I have one side that I can put up against the saw fence to square everything up. I'm just marking the centre points on each of the blocks now. I'm just using the compass to make the biggest circle I can around the outside of the block. I just threw this few pieces together onto the table just to stop the Tealight holder from spinning when the drill goes in, because one of the other ones caught and ripped off the top layer of the ply. Just get it in the centre. So this is the way I set them up for being chucked into the drill. A bolt going through the hole I drilled through the centre of the Tealight holder with a washer. And then another washer on the back and two nuts. Tighten up the first nut and then lock the second nut against it. It stops it from opening while you're turning it in the drill and running it against the sander. Four Tealight holders finished on the belt sander. They're not perfect, but it's the best I can get them without a lathe. So the next thing I'm going to do is give them a polyurethane finish with a spray can clear coat.